Hello, my Ava J foodies. Today, what I have for you is tacos. Look at that for a minute. You know how tacos are. Stuff spilling all out of them, but they so worth it and they good. And I'm going to show you guys how I make my taco salad. So you start off with tortilla chips. This is just a small one. But normally for my family, I have to make a really big bowl because it's so good and yummy and everybody loves it and enjoys it. Next, I put on top my ground seasoned taco meat. Whatever type of meat you like or prefer. Then I put lettuce in, shredded lettuce. So just probably about a cup. It's up to you how much you like in yours or how much you would like to put in yours. Then, of course, you want to sprinkle cheese. Ooh. Oops, that looked like too much cheese, y'all. Then I put green onions and tomatoes. I love tomatoes, as I've told y'all before. I love onions too, but I really love tomatoes. They're my favorite. Then I put in sour cream. Put a nice dollop or two of sour cream. Then last but not least, I like hot taco sauce. Let y'all see it up close. This is my taco salad. Then I put a little hot taco sauce on top. And that's my taco salad. Then you want to stir everything all together. People may view this, oh, that's more of a summer dish. Honey, this is an anytime dish. So when you got a taste for taco salad, you just go right ahead and get your stuff and make it, honey. You ain't got to wait till no certain season. That's me. If I got a taste for something, I don't care what season it is. I'm going to go ahead and get those ingredients. And honey, I'm going to chow down. Mix it all together. That smells so good, y'all. I don't want to lose it now. Good. This is how it look, y'all, mixed up. taco salad. Gotta get a thumbnail. You guys see it? My delicious taco salad. Now I showed y'all how I did it and how I do it. And that's all the ingredients you need. Mmm. I love tacos and everything about them. Who else loves tacos and taco-related food? Taco salad, honey. It was the cousin to a hard shell taco. Y'all, I'm just wild about tacos. I love taco salad, taco dip, hard shell taco, soft shell taco. I like steak taco. Chicken. I'm just head over heels over tacos. Who else loves tacos? And how y'all doing today? Hope everybody's doing good. Kind of tired today, y'all. Got up real early. As y'all know, I'm fairly new to this YouTube thing, so y'all bear with me. I said, I gotta put out a video for my people that's watching. Just taco ideas. Then you come up with a taco buffet. I believe I'll be up there every other week. Of course, I love nachos too. That's the third cousin of tacos. Enchiladas, love them too. They the fourth cousin of tacos. They all family. And know what they have in common are all delicious. Tacos is one of your foods and everything taco related, let me know in the comments. This taco salad good, y'all. Wish y'all could taste it. Yummers. Taco salad. And of course, y'all already guessed it. Got my sweet tea on that. One of my favorite drinks. You can make this taco salad, as I was saying, in a large quantity. Also, what you would need is a large 3-pound package of any type of ground meat you like. This is for a family size taco dip. Then I'm telling you guys the recipe for. 2 cups of shredded cheese, cheddar, mild cheddar or Colby, take your pick, lettuce, tomato, green onions, any type of tortilla chip you like, your preference. And sour cream and taco sauce on the side to top it with. Again, your preference, whatever you like or prefer. Or you can use salsa. Nice, good, flavorful taco salad. And make sure you cook your meat to drain it. And put whatever type of taco seasonings you prefer. You know, with cooking, we customize it to your taste. And then you assemble everything all together. Give it a stir. And time to chow. Alright, guys. As I told y'all before, I'm not a real big eater. But I do love food. So, put some hot sauce on the taco. Hopefully y'all don't mess my shirt up. Y'all see that? Have a bite. There you go. Tacos are so yummy. Here we go. Tacos and taco salad. See? Sauce start coming out the end on me already, y'all. Yummy. And if you like eating tacos, baby, ain't no eating cute. Because they definitely gonna get messy. Tacos is a messy food, but I love them. If you a spicy person, a person that loves spice, you can try hot taco sauce on your tacos. Oh, so good. And spice and stuff make my nose run, but don't stop me from eating it. Still eat it anyway. Gotta get the little scrappings up, y'all, off the plate. One taco I ain't never tried, y'all, was fish tacos. And I think I'm going to try them eventually, y'all, and do a video. Do a video. And let y'all see how I like them. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Till the next time, my Ava J Foodies, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And go on and hit that notification button for new videos every Monday. Till the next time, bye-bye.